Today on our menu is pasta, vegetable pasta. I would like to share with you how I made this easy vegetable pasta. Hello lovelies, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're watching me from. I would like to share with you today how I made this easy pasta. When you come home, you're tired, you just use within minutes and you are done. Within 10 minutes and this pasta is ready with you and your family. This is lunch. You can also use it as supper also. It's so good. It does, like, you can use it as supper because it doesn't last, it doesn't stay long in the stomach, it digests very fast. So first you go with your oil, then your onions to taste for it to really get into the oil. Then after that I season my chicken chest. I like to use chicken chest, or you use your meat or whatsoever protein that you have. I like to use this chicken because it has this good taste when you use it with pasta. The chest I bought by the chicken chest, I slice it. You see the slices, very small slices. Then I use thyme, I use rosemary powder, I use garlic powder, your maggi to taste, your salt, your white pepper. Those are the things I use in seasoning this chicken, and it's so yummy. Guys, try it and you will love it. So after I season it, after I fried that oil, I took this my chicken, my seasoned chicken, and I put it inside the oil and fried for until it was ready. That's what I did. I mixed. After I put like that, you have to mix it very well because you cannot just leave it like that now. You have to mix it so that it will touch everywhere. It will get really really good incorporated. So after you have done that, then you fry now the chicken in that oil. Mind you, I just want to give you a little tip. This same oil that you use, know that you have to still use this oil to cook that pasta. This oil, when you use this oil, it gives this good taste because you have fried this chicken in that oil, and it has this good taste and flavor it gives to this pasta. Guys, try it and thank me later. So this I've fried this for some minutes and it was already ready, because you will not cook it again. So that's why you have to fry it very well so that you realize that it's ready before you can now remove it. Then once it's ready, then you move it now, and you go with another onion again, because you realize that after you finish there will not be much onion again inside. Please, if you have not been following me up to now, please just click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. Turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload another video, you'll be the first to be notified. Follow me on Facebook, Christabella Mams, YouTube, Christabella Mams. So once it's ready, I continue with that oil. I just added a bit of oil because it was not really much again. So I added now another onion. I had to fry it first, guys, because I really love onion. If you have been following me for a long time, you realize that I love onion when cooking certain things like this. But there are some foods that I don't use onions, but with this one I have to use onion. Then I used just two fresh tomatoes that I used. Sorry that I did not share with the fresh tomatoes before I did it. I was leery, sorry. So I used two tomatoes for this. It was just one packet of pasta that I used. That's 1 kg. It's 1 kg, I'm sure. 1 kg of pasta. Then with this with two tomatoes, because I don't like when the tomato is really too much. I like it just be moderate. So after I've put my tomato, I fried it already before putting all this vegetable. I did not just put it immediately. I fried it and allowed it to cook before I went now with my carrots, my bell pepper, and the other things, my garlic, because I like to chop my garlic when it comes to this noodle. Sorry, in Germans they call it noodle, but in English they call it pasta. So when it comes to pasta, I like to chop my garlic. I have something that I use always. You just put like that, and the garlic is already chopped. So I went again now with my rosemary. See, rosemary is so nice. The flavor it gives to this kind of food is yum, it's heavenly. And that time I used the white pepper again. Those are the things I use. So my maggi to taste and my salt. Those are the things I put. Then I had to mix again for it to be incorporated everywhere, evenly distributed. So you have to make sure that okay, the carrot and all the other things were ready before you can now put your pasta. Sorry, noodle. I'm too used to it because our children here really like it, and here they call it noodle, as I already told you. So you fry and you make sure that it's ready before you can now put your pasta, because after you have already boiled the pasta, you don't need to make it to stay long on the fire. So I use also my poiro. How do they call poiro? Yes, poiro now. Yeah, they call it poiro. I like to use poiro. That's the green leaf. I like stew leaf. I like to use. The salt was not enough, so I added a bit of salt again. So I mix. After that, when the vegetables were ready and there was no water inside again, I added the fried chicken stock. The fried chicken, sorry. The ones I sliced and I fried like that. I put it again and mix again before I can now put my pasta. That's what I did. So you mix so that taste of the other vegetables, you will now mix with the chicken. Now you mix now very well. You have to be careful when you're putting your salt, because you're already seasoning that chicken, so that the salt should not be too much. So you have to be careful when you're putting it. So now after everything is ready, then you now put your pasta and mix. You mix this together and that's all. Your pasta is ready. You allow it to cook like 1 or 2 minutes. Let it not stay too long because it can get too soft. Mind you, when you're boiling your pasta, make sure that it's not too soft. It should just be ready. Like just ready. That way that it's not soft, it's not strong. Yeah. So I just want to say thank you so much. If you have been following me up to this moment, please let me remind you again, please click the notification button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, Christabella Mams, on YouTube, Christabella Mams. Thank you so much for showing me love, for always tuning into my channel, for watching my videos. I really appreciate you. I appreciate you so much, and I love you all for all your efforts, for appreciating me, because you watching is appreciating me. Thank you for your comments, your like. Please like this video, comment, share to your friends and loved ones. It's so easy to do, just 10 minutes and it is ready. Thank you. God bless you. Have a beautiful day. If you're already sleeping, good night. Thank you wherever you're watching me from. Bye.